Fans, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here, and you guys, by the time you guys see this, you're officially caught up with all the footage that I have for you guys. So now we're kind of back on real time with vlogging, so that feels good. We all been up. My daughter is looking at me crazy with her crazy hair. Her hair washed yesterday. I didn't have a comb since morning. Look at her. Come here, princess. Sarah, come here. Say wagwan. How are you? What are you doing?
I'm watching tablets.
You're watching tablets?
Let's go to the water park.
You want to go to the water park?
Yeah.
That's because you went to the water park yesterday. That's why you want to go to the water park today?
Let's go to the water park.
We might go to the pool later, okay?
Okay.
How about that?
After you stay at home, after you put on makeup, after you go to the car, after you go to the water park.
She loves the water, can you tell?
Yes. And the slide. I guess this is sweet. Look, and the swing.
And the swing. What else?
Slide.
And what else?
Seesaw.
And the seesaw. Okay, if you mind her, she'll chat all day.
And
Alright,
wheel.
Kyla, your turn.
Hello.
You forget all your greeting that you normally say to Faves? Alright, Gaza picnic. Alright, you guys. So, the main reason for today's vlog is fourth person. Fourth person over there, so. Husband. Hello. You have a seat. Babe. Babe, turn around. Because you. Now that's better. Say hello.
Wagwan.
So you guys, this video is dedicated to my wonderful husband. Let me tell you, let me give you a little backstory. So, my husband decided that he's going to be a better French husband to his wife. And by doing so, he said that he's going to attempt at least once per week. Or let's see, that doesn't sound so reasonable, but give him once per month for now. Or once every 2 weeks. He's going to attempt, without my help, to make something French. A French dish. So, he went to the supermarket with me and he got all his ingredients. And today, we'll find out what babe will be making. So I'll be just standing on the side and filming and watching, and I'm going to try not to judge and just let him be, you know, and don't pressure him too much. Because you guys know I'm good for that, right? So babe, why you not do it that way? Yeah? Babe, why you not do it that way? Babe, why you not use a spoon instead of the fork? But no, I'm gonna allow him to just be and do his thing. So I'm looking forward to taste what he's about to make. It's something that I really love, and his mom makes a really good. His mom makes this thing really good. Yeah. So we're gonna head over to babe in a bit when he's finished gathering his ingredients and see what he's about to make, and we shall indulge in it later. Alright, let's go over to Mr. Delaveaus in a bit. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Thanks for still riding with us, even though we're not posting so often as usual anymore because life happens. Yeah, but love it enough. Okay, over to you, chef. Alright, tell us, what are you making today on the episode of
I'm gonna
French cuisine?
try to do salmon pie.
Salmon pie.
Salmon pie. Let's try to do.
What is it called in French?
Tato somo.
Okay.
Do you do tato somo in Jamaica?
No, we don't do this back home.
Okay.
First of all, salmon too expensive for we normal people to eat in Jamaica. So only uptown people eat salmon. Isn't that true, Faves? Comment down below. Do regular people eat salmon? No, because it's very expensive. We don't.
So I just turn on the oven. So I preheat the oven.
The level of the tray is on the correct.
I really don't know.
You're not gonna check to see which level you want it on?
I really don't know how that works. So you can do that if you want to.
You want me to do it if I want to?
No, just put it here and let's see how it does it.
Okay, just know that the higher it is, it's closer to the flame up the top.
Okay. Alright, it's the first time I actually do that.
Wait. I think I need to give you a little advice. Wait. I did say I'm not gonna give you any advice, but to put a pot like this into a pan, first you have to rub a little butter in the bottom so the pot is easy to come out when you cook it. Just a little bit. If not, you can just do it like that and you learn from experience. You put the butter on the paper towel and rub it all around the side and the bottom of the pan.
This is already starting to mess with my video.
I mean, some things I have to say, sorry. But that's just the advice. A good advice. It's not a bossy advice. Huh? The sides too. Ray, watch pulling edges. Hey man, have technique. Wait, I'm gonna go around that so because my husband have technique. That me I tell you now. Go on with yourself, babe. Not fooling her. Yes, Sarah. I'm watching Papa doing cooking.
Water park.
You already went to the water park yesterday, Sarah. We'll probably go to the pool
If you
later.
don't come and help me, you won't eat it.
Tyler, finish the Nintendo now. So he's placing the salmon in the bottom of the pan. Okay, what's next?
Next is the cheese.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
The same thing. I'm gonna put directly the cheese on top of the pie.
Okay.
Some people put it there, but
Okay, so he's putting the cheese on top of the salmon.
yeah. So now I'm gonna put on the egg.
Oui, papa. Qu'est-ce que tu fais, papa?
Bah, rien, c'est tout à l'heure que j'avais besoin de toi.
Maman.
Yes, Papa
What
cooking.
doing?
See, you make him gone, babe. You make him gone.
Come.
He wanted to help.
You're making a mess on your fingers.
Really?
Sarah, see, you already have one over there, no? Look, you have paper towel.
Oh, that was the better.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so now
Verser ça là-dedans. Alors attends.
now he cracked the egg and I think he's gonna mix the egg with the heavy cream.
Attends, je vais te dire. Dès que j'ai un peu fait, je mélange d'abord
Est-ce que je verse tout?
tout, mais tout doucement. D'accord?
Tyler has joined the club.
Je sens que ça va être trop bon.
Allez.
You have to squeeze the box tie because it's very thick.
Right.
Maman.
Yes, Sarah.
Allez, continue comme ça.
Let's play with the back on the camera.
Continue.
We'll do that later, Sarah. Okay, what you adding now?
Papa.
Just some
little
seasoning,
pepper.
some pepper.
Yeah.
He add a little pepper.
Then
Now
some
he
salt.
add a little salt.
Non, papa, la
No.
cuillère.
Oh, fais attention avec ça. Hein?
Yeah, but this time,
Et
I don't see this.
It is coming out. You just have to be careful.
Papa, je vais prendre le pied.
And now he's adding nutmeg. And mix.
Maman, what papa doing?
Ask Papa.
Papa, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
J'ai fait une tarte.
La tarte au saumon. Oui. On va manger la tarte pour le dîner. birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Watch out, watch out.
Okay.
Okay,
When
now.
it's mixed, I'm just gonna throw it all over it. Powder.
Okay. So now he's gonna throw all of that mixture over the salmon and cheese. And then this goes in the oven for how long?
Around 30 minutes.
Okay.
Only thing is I put the same pan. I don't know if this is for 4-person pan or...
No, the pan probably needed to be a little bit smaller, but that's okay.
So, okay.
Alright. Just kind of shake your pan like this so all the sauce evenly spread. No, put back the pan down flat. Spin it. Shake side to side. Voila, like this. Okay. Alright, now we bake. No, now he bakes for 30 minutes. Okay guys, salmon pie is done and there's a look into the salmon pie. Now we're gonna taste. I'm sure it's delicious. I can smell it. So there we go. I think it stayed a little bit too long in the oven. The top piece burned too much, brown too much, but we're gonna eat it nonetheless. So you guys, Tyler is already almost finished his slice. He didn't even wait for me to get his reaction. So I guess Papa did a good job. Sarah, what was your reaction? Let's get Sarah's reaction again. Look. Sarah bite it and she said, more? You don't want no more? Okay, moment of truth. I want you guys to see my real reaction.
Put this back.
Okay, so I'm going to analyze. For the ones I've ate at Mom, and this one, Mommy own is more fluffy, which means it have more eggs.
Yeah, that's the thing, because I follow the recipe for 4-person, but I think next time I should follow it for 6-person, because even if we are 4, we're not necessarily gonna eat it off.
Yeah, you can use the same amount of salmon,
yeah, just to
but more eggs and more cream to get the more body.
It tastes very good, but
the taste is there.
The taste is there, it's just a little bit too flat.
There we go. But you want more?
Damn, you eat.
Ouais. C'est trop bon.
Yes, it's very good, that's true. You can grab it up.
I want.
You want now? Okay, I'm gonna give you a small slice. There's salmon in it, okay? It's very yummy. She bite that one next time. But it tastes good though. Even the brown part is crispy and nice.
Win.
Thanks, babe. Good job. I had to say that. So, another French dish under his belt. I know who to call on when I want fish. Pie. What is it called? I don't know.
Buff what can be used.
Okay. So, babe did it.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.